Hey YouTube, on this episode we're going to be building a 71-gallon storage container we got from Lowe's so we can put some of my kids' toys in it. Alright guys, here's your package. I'm going to rip the box open here in a minute. But here's a picture of what it's supposed to be. It's 46.9 long, 22 wide, 3.8 high. That's going to be your box. It says it takes 2 people. I'm sure it takes 2 people to move it without breaking it. Just because I feel like it's flimsy. So you get your pieces here, tells you what you got. You got 2 of those, 1 of those, 1 of those, 1 of those, 1 of those, got 4 little ones, 2 of those, so we have all our pieces it looks like.
Okay.
That's on page 3. Now, here's what is on page 4 and 5. This is actually us building it. So we're going to start by building step number 1. That's your 2 sides, which are the smaller pieces, and then this really funny looking piece. So
okay, that does actually look hilarious.
it does look funny.
Does oh?
It's okay.
Thanks.
Just want to snap it together.
Here.
Oh, thank you, buddy. Pause it for a second.
Okay.
Got it on?
Yep.
Okay, so the orientation of this has your high sides go towards the back. It's actually going to be your back side. Then you're going to snap it into your side. I'll do the same thing on the other side. To install your other side, you have these small grooves. So bottom, center, top. Those are going to snap onto these ears.
Oh.
Sorry, we'll cut that part out.
You okay?
Yep.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. It's okay. It didn't break, thank goodness.
I kind of wish I had.
Okay, so all that's together now. That's step 1. Step 2 shows that you're going to put that piece in the piece we have laid out here.
Okay.
And that's really cool orientation. So, go there. You got to spin it around.
Okay.
So, we got it on.
Yeah.
So this big side is not what you're seeing in the directions. In the directions, when you're looking at the book, you're looking at it with the big side toward away from you. The small side here in the back, that's where your grooves are going to go. This is your sides. The piece you just built is going to snap right down into that. So you set it up here, like so.
Okay.
And you're going to end up having to position it. Make sure it's right. And you're going to go in and snap
Yeah.
this whole thing together.
And I'm gonna go to this.
Go around the whole thing together. All the way across the back. Across the front. Side there. Have a sturdy surface to push down, to get them to snap together. Means a lot.
I'm sorry if I'm on the wrong.
That is step 2.
Step
3 is showing us
I said 3 right before you.
we're going to put a top on it.
You keep.
Or a bottom or a side, I don't know what you call it.
Oh. Sorry about that. Doo 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 doo. It kind of looks like a TV. It looks like a
Then you
TV.
flip it up.
Yeah, literally.
Step 4.
It literally looks like a TV from here.
Yeah.
It literally looks like a TV.
On top. So
But ah,
these are the spots where your hinges go. You're going to set this on here like so. And then snap. Line it up. Just sometimes easier said than done. Make sure don't put your fingers in here when you push down. If you do, you're gonna pinch them. Snap. I did have to pull out on the center here a little bit, get it to line up.
Sorry.
On the center hinge, it was kind of folded in.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Yeah.
Wait, it can open?
Yeah, we're gonna put some toys in here. You just don't know it.
Oh.
Mommy picked the color out. The brown one was $20 cheaper to get it in brown. So here's the back. This is gonna be your next step.
Wait, this is brown?
Yep. The next step.
This looks black to me.
It's the snap on your square pieces here.
If you even need that.
And there's 4 of them.
Yeah, right.
And so one thing to notice, this is the step we're doing right now inside of step 5, is we're putting these top squares in. If you look at them, see how they're tapered? They're smaller on the bottom, bigger on the top. So your holes
Wait, what?
look the same way. So your holes are smaller at the bottom, bigger on the top. We're just going to snap in.
This is cool.
Snap in.
Or about
Same difference. All the way across. Now, your last parts are the 2 little wheels. On one end or the other, your 2 wheels will snap up in here.
or the other side,
They
right?
snap in. No, they only go on one side. I don't think the other side's got it made in it.
Okay.
I lied. It does have it made on both sides. But you only get 2 wheels.
Silly.
Paxton was right. Paying attention, man. Good eye. We're going to stick them on this side just because it's easier to see and it doesn't matter to me. Just snap in. There it is. 71 gallons storage capacity. You can pick it up by the handle.
That thing's loud.
Flip it up. You can put a little lock in here. It'd be good to keep honest
Already
people
sound
away.
like a shorter
Anybody's
double
dishonest
skirt.
is going to rip this thing apart. It's not made of much. I'm going to be honest. It will fall apart if anything's really, really hard on it. Like somebody wants to steal something out of it, they can break in this really easy because it will just fall apart. But for what we give for it and ease of setup, it's pretty easy, especially for the average person. Didn't need any power tools or anything. Just snapped it together. It's done. So I think it's a pretty good deal. You see down in it a little bit. And it's pretty good size. You could get in there and lay down and hide, couldn't you?
Obviously, I'm gonna do that.
You're
maybe.
gonna do it? Well, let's do it right now. Hop in.
Okay.
You could almost lay down in it. You're a little taller than it is long.
Goodbye.
Close the door. Where'd Paxton go?
Hi.
Hi. Like, subscribe, hit that bell button.